Alright guys, so today we're going to do something a little different. We just started carrying this new line of cosmetics here at the Willow Tree. It's called Danyel Cosmetics. I have never tried any of the products before, but they have been catching my eye for so long since we got them in. The colors are just so beautiful and I've heard such good reviews, so today I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my usual primer and Wonder Glow. Now I'm going to start with foundation. I have these two options. This one has two different shades, so if you're not sure what shade you are, this is perfect. But this is the Cream Compact Foundation, and the color Soft Beige is what I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to apply this with like a wet sponge. Alright, I'm a little nervous, but we're just going to take it. I've never used foundation like this before, so I'm literally clueless on how to do it. But it's going on really good. I feel like it is natural. Let me go all over on my face and then I'll show you the next part. Okay, I said I was going to do it all over, but you can see this side has most of it on, and then you can see this side I have not done yet. But I wanted to show y'all, like, look at this coverage. It is so good. Like, what? Okay, and I don't have any of their concealer. I'm not really sure if they make any, so I just went ahead and put my own concealer on. Now I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Okay, here are the results without the powder. I'm floored. Like, I did not think I would really like it this much, but it went on so smooth. The application process was so easy, and I feel like I love this glow. Like, it made my skin have. It's 10 out of 10. Okay, translucent powder is the only powder I use, so I was so excited when I saw that they offered a translucent powder. This says it helps out with oily areas, you know, things like that, so I'm going to use a sponge to apply this. And I'm going to show you, I normally apply it like around my smile lines, and then I'll also apply it under my eyes and around my forehead. Okay, I really like this powder. It went on really well. It's not like clumpy or anything like that, and I was actually reading into it. It's also hypoallergenic and fragrance free. I cannot deal with fragrances in makeup products. It's just one of my pet peeves, but this is amazing. And there's so many different palette options. I am using the nude color, so let's try it. Okay, so I'm just applying this base color all over. I'm going to take this color to my crease and this color to my outer eye. I'm obsessed. Here is the finished product with the eyeshadow. I'm running out of time, so let's skip to lipstick. Lips, I'm going to use the Rosewood lipstick and the Flush liner. Alright guys, here is the finished look. I am obsessed with this. I was a little skeptical, but every product I tried, I absolutely loved. My favorite was this palette, but it all was so good. Go grab it up right now.